Hi everybody, it's me Brandy with Be Vintage Design and Decor, and I am bringing you the winner today of the beautiful bracelet that came out of one of my bags. And the winner is from the collab of the Journey of Jewelry and Moon Goddess Treasures video that I did with them. And I know they've chosen their winners from their videos. I'm doing the same thing where I'm using the random comment picker from YouTube. I put in the URL already for the video. I have not, let me go down, let's move this aside. I have not started it yet. So all the comments are in there, 152 comments in total, and I'm going to push the start and we will choose the winner. So it looks like Joyce Lopez enjoyed watching jewelry unboxing videos. And Joyce, you are the winner of this beautiful bracelet. So if you can, email me at bevintage74@gmail.com so that I can get your information from you. And then also too, if you don't mind getting a hold of me within the next couple of days. If not, I am going to choose another winner, and I will obviously do the same thing where I put it into the comment generator and pull another winner. So let's hope we hear from Joyce soon. Everybody say congratulations to Joyce, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.